It's that nigga Joe. Send my niggas Bobby, aka Ghetto Fashion. My nigga Thomas, aka Boo. They been killing, they posting videos and shit, so you know I gotta do my part being the manager, being the nigga and all, you know what I'm saying? Straight off the top, just to let y'all know, you know what I'm saying? Always. Yeah. See, we go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. Real quick, nigga. Real shit, nigga. Real shit, nigga. Recorded on the video, posted on Facebook. Niggas talking down, well, look how they face look. When I'm done fucking them up, yeah, I heard them all. Young nigga Joe, watch me fucking mug them all. Never do a thing, yeah, I gotta get my paper. Niggas talking shit, man, it's just a hater. Wet them up, yeah, I set them up. I ain't never set them up, unless it's with these two guns. Hit them left, right, freestyle, no hook. Young nigga coming down, certified, no look. Fresh red tee, man, a nigga banging. Also part blood, yeah, what I'm claiming. Southside the realest, Corvus Squad Christie. Young nigga coming down, party by the sea. And we drinking on that tea, yeah, it might be that lean. Or a nigga just might be feeling regular tea. Sweet tea, up on a sunny day. And your girl wanna holler cause she seen a funny day. Chillin' with a funny nigga, hey. And they like it when a nigga can make them laugh, hey. Certified gangster, certified real. Niggas talking down and I show them what the bills. Put it on their heads and them niggas disappear. Houdini trick, yeah, nigga, get my point fucking clear. All off the top, you don't really fucking believe me. Let's go around the room so you believe me. Does a what little plasma? Man, I get it. And I hook it up to another plasma. Then I play COD. Young boy getting cold by the AC. Got a big fan, yeah, it's looking like my chopper. Chop them all down, young nigga, pull a bopper. Keep going around the room, cause you still don't believe me. There what bed, yeah, my brother what, Randy? Sleep there. And my nigga named Sammy, sleep there. Where do I sleep? Where? No, I will not show you, cause now you know where I sleep. You can fucking creep, man, while I'm in my dreams trying to pull me. You'll never pull a trigger on me. And if you do, boy, you better pull it on me. So I don't play that shit. Boy, you threaten my life. Let me turn the camera around the world. Fell off, but let me get back on. 0 to 100, quick, nigga, real on. Get it on while your girl get it on. Yeah, she get turned on while a nigga turn it off. Man, I turn it on up, then I burn it on up. Niggas always sucking down till they get hurt up. Yeah, I hurt them. Yeah, I mark them. Young nigga, 2 lanes, watch me fucking swerve 'em. Big body clip, Malibu, all gray, 08, man, a nigga steady getting paid. Man, a nigga looking great when I'm on the fucking scenery. Niggas always talking down, niggas always act mean to me. I don't never give a fuck, still do me. In me, yeah, it's all about me and my wifey and the baby coming soon. Let me slow it down, cause the beat slowed it down too. Whole crew on that real shit. Whole crew on that real shit. We out Texas, so we on that trill shit. I ain't not a science guy, but I'm on my bill shit. Like Gates, no Kevin. Speaking like the Reverend, straight, nothing but the truth. Niggas talking down, get his girl Babe Ruth. Home run, 1 hit. Home run, 2 hits, 3 hits. Man, she want me to keep hitting, man, I get. Man, I get the paper, yeah, I gotta stack it. Niggas talking down, that's all just practice. I don't need to practice, I don't ever talk. I just get them, man, I hit them, man, I make them bitches walk. Man, I spit a freestyle and it's 3-4 minutes long. Till the beat drop, yeah, I go on. 0 to 100 and my niggas real shit. 0 to 100, man, we on that trill shit. Said it once, said it twice, man, I said it 3 times. And your girl, let me hit it once, let me hit it 3 times. I ain't hit the second time, so I hit it 3 times. Hit it with my finger and my blunt, that's 3rd time. Watch me on this 3rd rhyme. Hit you with my 3rd leg, now she fine. She wanna chill with a nigga, and she expect better, cause she chill with a nigga, that's better. Woo! Homeboy Randy in the background, step further and check out my background. Texas Young Guns, man, a nigga keep it true.